Dampness in walls is a very common problem that many independent homeowners face during rainy seasons. Dampness causes multiple problems like peeling and cracks forming, and damp generally just causes damage to a structure. Now, there are basically, let's keep it simple, two types of damp: penetrating, which is water seeping through the walls and it leads to penetrating dampness. And the second one is rising damp, where water from the ground rises into the house. And the reason is usually there's no DPC, which is a damp course layer, or there is damp course layer, but it hasn't been installed correctly. So in the video, I'm going to show you how to tackle a damp area using a ready mixed damp sealer that you would buy in your paint and hardware store. With a decent Hamilton scraper, I've noticed some bubbling on the wall. I'm going to tackle it with the scraper, break the bubbles, and the paint just comes off quite easily. Paint's not sitting sound at all, and it's because, yes, you guessed it, damp. So getting off what I could get off using the scraper, I now take a decent Hamilton's wire brush and just brush over the plastered areas. This just cleans it up, and we are ready for applying a crack filler to a well-prepared surface. Now I'm just going to skim over a filler called Aquacrete, which is a waterproof filler, just to smooth out the wall, because now I've scraped and now I've got a slight indent in the wall. So I'm going to smooth it off with a waterproof filler. So I take the filler and I just smear it over the areas that I want to fill. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because afterwards I'm going to take a trowel and just use it over the filler to smooth everything out. Okay, and once smoothed out, I'm just going to leave it for the day to dry before I primer it with a decent solvent-based damp sealer. As a contractor or a homeowner, you want to maybe invest in one of these moisture meters from Ryobi. They're not that expensive, available at a good, decent hardware store, and it checks the moisture levels within the wall, and it has an alarm function that beeps when the moisture is high. Okay, so we've repaired the wall in terms of scraped it, wire brushed it, filled it with a waterproof filler, and now we're going to prime it with a damp sealer. And it's a solvent-based damp sealer. And always apply according to manufacturer's instructions. And manufacturers, you guys should really be specific. On this can, it says it can be thinned, but they don't say by how much. They also say apply 2 coats. How many hours between the coats? It's quite important. But being in the business, I pretty much know that the damp sealers are 2 coats a day between the coats. And if you are going to thin it not more than, say, 10% with mineral turpentine. But always read that manufacturer's instructions and follow them closely. So let's put the first coat of damp sealer on. Tomorrow, our second coat, and then we are ready to paint over it a day later. For the application of the damp sealer, I'm using Hamilton's Professional paintbrush. It has a premium bristle blend and it gives you the highest quality finish with all water and solvent based paints, like the damp sealer, which is solvent based. And it has an extra thick bristle content for maximum pick up and release. First coat done, we left that overnight and we applied our second coat. We leave that another day and then we are ready to paint. So we painted the 2 coats of damp sealer a day between the coats. And now we've got Prince here, who's busy working on this complex with a whole lot of other contractors. And he's going to be painting now with our final coats over the damp seal. And then we've got, hopefully, that perfect finish. Hey, Prince, you want to paint that wall? Thank you. Prince is going to get that damp area that I've repaired painted. Okay, while we got Prince there at the back painting over my damp repair, there's a couple of tips for keeping damp under wraps. And that's seal cracks, have sufficient drainage systems, gutter maintenance, make sure your gutters are clean and water flows away from the home. Regular inspections. And remember, it's simple. No damp, no damage. That's it from me, Bernie B. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And once again, doing things the right way, you'll get the perfect finish.